Well, that was the rear facing camera for a while, as I spent those twisty roads firmly ensconced behind this omnibus. Oh, he's going to let me pass. Good job. So I was over in the States for a couple of days last week. Picked up a little GoPro. There it is there. Hopefully you can see it. I'm going to try it in a couple of different positions. I didn't really intend on getting it, but I saw it there, $99, which is what, €90, if that. So I'm going to give it a go, rear facing for the moment. We'll see what the footage looks like. If you can see anything apart from my knee. Planned on getting some stuff done over the weekend just there, but turns out sitting on an airplane for 10 hours really kind of takes it out of you, and in this case gave me a horrible old cold, which I'm still getting over, as you can hear just there. So I'm hoping to get some of that stuff done later in the week on the LMX change, and I have a few bits for the Ninja as well.